How to buy MDZA tokens, the Medooza tokens. Today we will see how to buy MDZA tokens, and as you will see, it's very simple. First, log into your Medooza wallet. Click on your MDZA wallet tab. Click on the Buy tab and choose how you want to pay, with fiat money or crypto. Let's begin with PayPal. Click on the PayPal icon. Fill in the amount you want to buy. Here you will already see your wallet address. Click on the icon. Fill in your info. Log in into your PayPal account and complete the order. After confirmation, the tokens will be transferred into your wallet. Simple, huh? Now let's see how to buy MDZA tokens with other cryptocurrencies that you have. Click on the Buy tab under your MDZA wallet. Click on the Coin Payments icon. Fill in the amount of MDZA tokens that you want to buy and click on the logo. As you can see, you can buy MDZA with almost any cryptocurrency. Choose the crypto that you have and fill in your info for a verification. Now you'll see the address you need to make the payment to and the amount you need to transfer. This unique transaction will be active for 24 hours. After transferring the amount to the wallet address, the MDZA tokens will be automatically transfer into your MDZA wallet and you'll be able to use them. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and colleagues. Great day!